Hi, I'm Missy, and I'm a right below the knee amputee. And today I just want to talk to you about some of the basic cares and tips for our residual limbs and our liners. The importance of cleaning our residual limbs. It's just as important as bathing every day, washing our hands all day through the day. It's even more important to wash our limbs more than sometimes twice a day, especially here in Florida. We just gently kind of like keep this clean. This really helps, just kind of go nothing fancy. You just want to get all of your oils off because that does make a huge difference in your suspension as well as your skin integrity. It's recommended to store it this way, then you don't get any little dust bunnies or cat hair flying onto it during the day like you would at my house. Always use antibacterial soap, something gentle. Definitely dry your limb and then before placing on your new liner. So we'd definitely like you to click subscribe and like our channel, because we're going to go ahead and try to bring you more of our ideas, helpful hints, and things of just being a daily amputee and making every day a better day for ourselves.